In our previous videos, we have created a double-story building and created staircase with details. Now we will understand the concept of view range. We will open roof plan. We can see that our roof is not correctly drawn. It is cut from some cutting plane. We can adjust the height of this cutting plane from view range. Go to Properties of Roof Plan and find View Range. Now click on Edit to change the settings of view range. Click on Preview to understand the different levels of view range. We can see that our cut plane is set at 4 feet. Now let's change the cut plane to 7 feet. We can see that our roof level has been cut at 7 feet above roof level. To see the whole roof, we will put 20 feet in top and cut plane at 16 feet. Now click on OK. Here we can see whole roof is visible. This is how we can use cut plane to adjust views. Now we will adjust the roof. We will adjust the slope of our roof as per the provided drawings. We can see that we require slope in this direction. In our Revit file, we can see that there are multiple slopes. Now to adjust the slopes, we will select the roof slab. Click on Edit Footprint. Select the side and uncheck the slope from the small sides. Now finish the command. Now we can see that slope of our roof has been modified as per our AutoCAD drawing. We can also observe the roof in 3D view. Now let's rename our plans. We will select the plan and edit the title as Ground Floor Plan. Click on Yes to rename corresponding levels and views. Rename this plan as First Floor Plan. And rename Level 3 as Roof Plan. Now we have changed the titles of our plans. We can see these plans have been renamed in Properties browser as well. Now if we zoom our elevation view, we can see the title is also visible here. This bottom level is showing as Ground Floor Plan. Now, if we want to change this level head, we will open level head file provided in the description below. We will click on this level head family and open it. This is our custom level head. We only want to show the elevation. Now click on Load into Project. Now to change the level head, we will select the level. Click on Edit Type. Open Symbol section. We will select our custom level head. You can see our level head symbol has been modified as per our requirement. We can adjust them as required. These level heads have been updated in the whole project. Now let's change the elevation markers. We can double-click on the view to activate it. These are the basic elevation markers. Select it and click on Edit Type. Click on Elevation Tag. From the options, we will select Circular Filled Arrow and View Name. Our elevation tag has been changed. Now let's draw spot elevations. We will open First Floor Plan. Now click on Spot Elevation in the Views tab. Click on the floor and place this spot elevation. Spot elevation has been placed with leader. If we do not want to view this leader, we will uncheck the leader from option bar. If we want to show line under the elevation text, we will load Custom Family. You can download this custom spot elevation from the link in the description below. Open Spot Elevation Family. Now load it into the project. Select Spot Elevation. Click on Edit Type. In the Symbol option, select our custom spot elevation. Now we can see a small line has appeared under the spot elevation text. Similarly, we can assign spot elevation at other locations. I hope you have enjoyed this video. In our next video, we will learn to create ramp, entrance steps, and plinth protection. Subscribe our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.